What's up, guys? Matthew at PC Vitamins Professional Repair. And today we're just gonna be discussing this TPM thing for Windows 11. Also, how to know if the PC is eligible for Windows 11. Since this is the hot topic, let's see. So when we go to Windows 11 requirements, I've already been checking this out. If we come over here and we say featured specifications. If you can see over here, it's 1 gigahertz or faster with 2 or more cores. It needs 4 gigs of RAM, even though I don't think that it probably will need less. The big one is the UEFI Secure Boot and the TPM Module 2.0 version. So this is pretty important. So how do we know that this PC has our TPM enabled or whatever the situation is? We'll be doing another video on how to enable the TPM, but we just need to firstly know how, what, where. So apparently there's an app called Windows PC Health Check. Let's search Windows PC Health Check app. So when I do that, nothing happens. Then if I come to, I think it's this one, upgrade to new Windows 11 ISO. The problem here is the app has been actually removed from Windows 11 store. So we come here, we're going to say Windows 11, we scroll all the way, introducing Windows 11. They tell you it's here, it's on Microsoft's website. But I can keep going. There's nowhere on this thing that it tells me that it's ready, minimal setting requirements. It says use the PCL to, it's free when it rolls out, coming soon. But now, if you want to check now, not when coming soon, they've actually removed this application completely from their website. So what I was able to do is I was able to create a URL for you guys, link in the description below. I've created it on my Google Drive account. You'll be able to install this application. It's a MSI, so you'll just link in the description down below. And then what you'll be able to do is just double click the MSI. You'll be able to download the file. Once it just say download, it's no issue. Let it download. It's not that big of a file. It's about 13-14 megs. Then we're gonna actually run it. We're gonna say open. We're gonna run it. You see, then it's Windows PC Health Check, yada yada yada. It's gonna come down and install. Once that's let's just wait for it to install. Once it's done, Windows PC Health Check is installed. We can actually open it. What's quite nice about it tells you how old the machine is, tells you how much space it has, and then it will tell you introducing Windows 11. And it will, obviously, this is all the basic stuff. This is just a basic. I'm assuming later on when Windows 11 gets released, they will obviously introduce it on this page. But at this current moment in time, you cannot find this app anywhere, and it's been completely removed. Okay, so what you need to do is then just say check now. So if you get this message, you have to enable Secure Boot, and you must enable TPM 2.0. This is just a quick guideline of how to install the PC Health Check so that you can then check if your desktop is eligible or if you're missing something. So if you get this, it doesn't necessarily mean that your PC is not supported. It just means that you must enable Secure Boot, you must make sure that you have a TPM 2.0 module, or you've enabled it in the BIOS itself, which is very important. I hope this video useful to somebody. I'm pretty sure within the coming months, if you come to this website, Microsoft yada 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 Windows 11, it will appear obviously in this specific thing. Remember, this is the key importance, this TPM Trusted Platform module. I'll be doing a video on that. on how to enable it on my AMD system, at least. On Intel it will be a bit different. I'll need to find an Intel system to do that. And obviously you can find all, and Microsoft is so cheeky. I mean, how much does it cost? Where is that thing? I had to laugh. How much does it depends? I mean, really, that's very taking a dig. On top of that, this Windows 11 looks like Mac OS. The same thing. They just copied Mac OS and they decided to just put their own theme on it. I mean, sure, hectic. Let's hope that it will work out fine. And the link in the description below will be here for the Windows PC health check setup, so that you will be able to eligible for your Windows 11 setup, so that you can make sure that you're eligible once you've enabled it. I think what we'll be doing is I'm going to be enabling it, and then we're going to be coming back to our Windows PC health check setup installation, and then we will see if we are eligible for Windows 11. Thanks guys for watching. This is just a quick video. If this will help somebody in the coming months to check their Windows PC health for the new Windows 11 eligibility. Thanks guys for watching. Like, subscribe, hit the notification if you haven't already, and see you in the next one. Peace.